Oh, fish jump. We came up a long, bumpy road, didn't we, Maddie?
Yeah, we did.
We have no idea where we're going, but we heard of a waterfall up here, so we're looking for it.
Yep. I thought that was it when we pulled up, and I was like, it's so little.
Isn't that great? Yeah. All right. Keep driving up.
Oh, no green sticker vehicle.
Uncle John, we're going. I'll pick you up on the way.
Green sticker. No quad sniper bike.
Uncle John's out exploring.
You could take a dual sport bike.
I was telling Jackson for a bedtime story. I was trying to explain to him about pet rocks and that they really, you know, come to life and all this kind of stuff, you know, the pet rocks.
He told me about that. He crawled into my bed in the middle of the night and he was like, Maddie, can I lay with you? And I was like, yeah, why? And he was like, I'm scared. I said, what are you scared of? He's like, well, Daddy told me this story about this rock and he came to life and I had a dream that he was going to be a zombie rock and he was going to eat me. And I was like, oh.
Looks like they're abandoned.
They're like abandoned, yeah. They look abandoned.
There's 3 of them.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
All this just to get a video from Madison back there. It's gonna be a good one.
It's already 1 o'clock. Nothing's been shot.
What are we doing about outfit?
Well, we finally got here, but now we have to hike the rest of the way to get to the water spot.
Its head is blue.
What?
Its head is blue, but
Wear
it's
whatever is
think it's
easier for you to get that. It's a mile hike.
Look, it's coming towards us.
Holy smokes.
If you got it on vlog, if it started chasing you,
You'll find a way to kill you.
I don't think it likes us.
it's protecting its head.
Is that its
Oh
head?
my gosh, that thing is slowly creeping towards Dad.
Why are you scared of a turkey?
Because they chase people.
They do?
Yeah.
What do they do? What do they do?
They got spurs on their legs.
Spurs on their legs? What the crap are you talking about? Why is he coming over here?
Look at this. Oh,
Okay.
do not run. Don't
All right.
run.
I'm not gonna
that'll
run,
make him wanna
dude.
chase you more.
Come on. Jake, watch out, dude. That turkey is gonna freaking get you, dude.
It's right behind
Jake,
you.
the turkey is gonna get you. He doesn't like you, dude.
Hey, buddy.
Oh no. You
Looks
got
like
his
something
attention
from
now.
Star Wars.
Yeah.
Looks like
He
Jar
just-
Jar Binks' nose.
He just pooped under there.
Don't make any
No,
sudden
Uncle John
movements
has a
with my
stick if it
back.
tries to attack you.
Oh, good. Uncle John's got a weapon.
Hey, look, you can't drive up there. Look.
Oh, but that's not the way to get to the falls. Oh, dude.
Whoa!
Okay,
John, that's a good call you
no,
got there.
please. No, he was yelling at us. He looked straight at us and did that. Oh, nice. I'm pretty sure those are turkeys.
Are you sure those are turkeys? Is that what you just
I
said?
don't know what that. I feel like this is some like sort of communication thing he's doing with his wings right now to us.
Yeah, he don't like us.
Back the heck up before I bite.
He's
You
literally
want to
just.
get pecked by the chicken, Jake?
That kind of.
Come on.
Don't push me.
What's the matter? Like this, some kind of a threat. The Jacob's going, oh my gosh, Chris, you're right. I don't want to get pecked by the chicken.
Besides, where are the chickens?
It's not a chicken. Yeah. All right.
And I got it on.
As I was rolling up the windows to my van, Chris has made a flute with his hands, and he's communicating. He's seemingly communicating with the turkeys.
Come on, knock it off.
Do it again.
Keep playing, Chris. What's up, everybody? We're out here in the wilderness, and we
got
didn't.
his walking stick. I was the only smart guy out here.
You're a pretty good mountain man, actually. We
right.
talked about that in the car.
You know what? If you need some like critter defense, like snakes or anything like that,
Critter defense.
got it right here.
Okay. So we didn't know this. We assumed, I guess, that we could go right like to the falls. We didn't know we were gonna have to hike this much. So we don't have any water or food or anything like that. And apparently, it took us forever to get here. And I guess now we have to hike for about an hour.
There's a little chair right there to just sit and enjoy yourself.
Oh wow, it probably belongs to them. That's cool.
Hey, look, a fox.
There's cactuses everywhere. Yes, cactuses, not cacti. You'll never hear me say that. It's a dumb word. I don't care if it's right.
If you
cactuses.
cut this stuff open, you can eat it. You can put it on a wound.
Look at this thing.
It's sunscreen too.
That's not really aloe.
Yeah, it is.
On a show.
So we're trying to shoot this music video for Madison. We had this great idea. Jake came up with it. We found this spot online,
It is, and a lot of times they
and it
salt
is
water
beautiful. I gotta say, like gorgeous. So I'm sure it's gonna be worth it in the end. But you're with us for the journey,
The water contains
and
toxic to the human body.
see if we can make it out here in the middle of nowhere.
Bamboo, yeah.
Still walking. It's pretty fun. I gotta say, it's fun to come out here where nothing is every once in a while. Focus on the stuff that God created for us to be entertained by, you know what I mean? We've been out here for about an hour. We got separated from the kids. They're up there somewhere. I got you, Uncle John. Just we'll rest for a minute.
This is a long walk, dude. I
These
ain't
old
kidding ya.
people, they get out of breath, you know,
Yeah.
pretty fast.
We're going up and down hills.
Yeah?
You know,
That's true.
I got a sweatshirt on. That's not helping.
Take it off.
I don't have a bow and arrow.
What would you do with a bow and arrow? How would that help you?
Just shoot it in the air and follow the arrow.
Shoot it in the air and follow wherever it goes.
Yeah.
Wow. I don't see how that would help.
Hey, you want to see what time it is? I'll show you how to do it. Let's do it up here where it's flat.
What are you trying to do?
I'll tell you what time it is.
You gonna tell me what time it is?
Circle, and you put a stick. See if you can push that stick in there.
It's
Right
too dry.
right in the center.
It's too dry, I think. Yeah, it's like hard ground. It won't stay there.
Well, just hold it there then. Okay, now you kind of like get your bearings where north. The sun's settling towards the west, so north is about like right here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, get out of the sun now. Okay, wait a minute. West, north is here. It's right around 140.
Right around 140. All right, I'm gonna look right now. Ready?
Yeah. Time is it? Pretty good, huh?
Can I tell you something?
What?
It's exactly 140.
I said right around 140.
It's on the nose, 140.
You're kidding me. I'm that close.
That is incredible. How did you do that? I mean, I get the approximate.
It's a sundial. That's how they used to tell time.
But you
in the
nailed it,
olden
though.
days. Well, I'm good. That's all.
Oh my gosh, that's incredible. If I ever get lost in the woods again, I hope you're gonna be with me.
Yeah.
So, I just found out Uncle John looked at his phone before he did that. Uncle John's having a tough time. Any minute now, I'm expecting him to ask me to give him a piggyback ride. Here it comes.
Jack, help me up. Oh, get me up the hill. Don't stop, Jack.
I'm trying.
We're going up the hill.
This.
Okay, Jack, forget you helping me. I'll help you.
Yeah, it should be in this little nook, so there's all rock.
How long have you guys been here?
15 minutes.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We took a long break. Walked, started to go back, and they were like, "No." This
And
is
you took a
before
break?
She gets wet. Oh yeah.
A long break.
Oh. Wow, that's really beautiful. Oh, you all right?
Yeah. I was trying to do log rolling like they do in the lumberjack competitions.
Oh, crap.
No crap.
Yeah.
You haven't been out here, but maybe an hour.
Seems like 4 days.
Seems like 4 days.
It's a hill. Go ahead. Jake! Jack! Jack! Have to be kidding me.
That's it?
Yep. It's drinkable though.
I could have had the garden hose going over my roof.
It's drinkable. I think so.
You should have told me where we were going. because when I looked up California waterfall hikes, this one popped up, and I was like, no, that one's too small. This one's bigger, and it was like really close to each other.
Oh my gosh, that's what we came for.
But we
I
can
mean,
still get
it's
If you're thirsty, there's water right there to drink.
it's cute. Don't get me wrong.
Just go to put your hand into the. Just do a tiny bit though, cause I don't know.
Wow. Wow, it's good, huh?
Let's know.
Oh my god! I'm filming!